New product launch alert coming at ya. Foil transfer base. You're gonna be able to easily get those foil designs on the nails. Greg's gonna show you how right now.
This Black Friday, we are launching a new product that is going to make art easy. This is Young Nails' new foil transfer base coat. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to apply it, how much time to take before you actually apply your foil, how to apply the foil, and how to seal it. This is going to give you an in-depth look to how easy nail art can be. Okay, so before we actually begin, I'm going to protein bond the surface of the enhancements. That way, when we apply our gel color on the surface, we're not going to get any chipping around the edges. All right, so the first color I'm going to be working with is Manicure Rose Quartz. I just want a nice foundation color, so when I'm applying the foil on the surface, it's going to be absolutely flawless. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take Rose Quartz, and I'm just going to establish a really nice background color. I'm also going to be using Black 101 on the middle finger. You don't have to apply a background color. You could do it right over the nude nails, but black is really going to make one of the foil designs pop. All right, let's go ahead and get that inside the light. I'm going to set that as long as it takes me to do the other hand. Okay, now what we want to be able to do is use swipe to remove the tacky layer from the surface of the gel. Now what I like to do to make sure that the foil is going to bond really well, I'm just going to take a buffer around the surface and the edges. All right, that way it's going to promote better adhesion. Right, and again, if you're doing this on the surface of any enhancement, right, this is going to ensure that you're going to have basically a great surface for the foil to bond to. Clean the surface. I'm gonna swipe. We're gonna do one finger at a time, right? You don't want to do all 5 fingers and then have to worry about whether it's dry or not. So you have a window to work off of, and the window is 45 seconds. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna break out this really beautiful snakeskin rose gold pattern that we're gonna be launching Black Friday. Go ahead and cut off a nice sheet. All right, we're gonna apply the foil base coat to the surface of the enhancement. I'm just going to work it all the way down and through, making sure that I'm getting it on my edges. All right, timer has been set for 45 seconds. At the end of 45 seconds, I'm gonna show you how I apply the foil. All right, so what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to start from one side, right? And what I'm going to do is start pushing it down and then working it towards the center and then all the way down to the very opposite end of the nail. Making sure that I'm pressing it out completely. And as you can see, I'm going to get an absolute flawless application from side to side. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a little bit of acetone just to kind of clean up my edges. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foil base coat to the surface. All right, so it's been 45 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rose pattern, I'm going to set it at the side, I'm going to start working it down and through the body of the nail. I'm going to continue to press it all the way to the opposite side, making sure that we have full coverage through the whole entire surface. And as you can see, that is absolutely flawless. All right, so we want to be able to apply a nice even coat from cuticle to free edge. We're gonna wait 45 seconds and apply the new design to the surface. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this leopard print. I'm basically just going to press down the side. I'm going to work it through the middle. We're going to go all the way to the opposing end, making sure that I'm putting even pressure all the way down. Boom, just like that. And what I'm going to do is just kind of press out any of the wrinkles that are on the surface to make sure that everything is absolutely flawless. All right, now I'm going to seal it with the new and improved finish gel. All right, so what you're gonna notice immediately with this is that we've thinned down the viscosity a little bit. So the ease of application is absolutely amazing. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a nice coat. Just make sure that when you're applying the coats, especially with the foil, you wanna be able to get it all the way down to the edges. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Come through, apply a nice even coat all the way down around the edges. I'm going to go inside the light. We're going to set it for 60 seconds. All right, I'm going to seal it with one more coat. What that's going to do is just guarantee that we're not going to have any chipping along the edges. One of the things you're going to notice about the improved finish gel is the intense shine. It is definitely shinier. You can go back inside the light for 60 more seconds, and it's going to cure with a tack-free, super shiny look. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and oil the surface. So as you can see, that's the results of the new foil base coat, but we're not done yet. Look out for new videos that are going to give you a preview to new products that are launching on Black Friday.
Hey guys, we hope you love our nail videos. Comment below and let us know what you want to see next. To see more, go right over here. To subscribe to our channel, head right over here.